Hey, hey, oh, what am I singing? I don't really know. All I know it hurts, to blind me in the eyes with the thing. Anyways, it's a Chef Capalbo, hey? Hey. Okay, look, we have water boiling. Water is boiling, we don't need the flash on, too hot. Burning my eyes, there, water is boiling. See, you have fire, you have water. Now I see online is a Vince's Italian spaghetti, and they give you the recipe. Okay, so I tried the recipe. It's a 1 pound ground beef, a salt, oregano, basil. You use a little basil. You use some olive oil. Yes? No? Okay, yes, you do. And well, what it says is to cook it for 3 hours. I don't have 3 hours time to sit over the stove and mix and mix and mix. So I put it in the crock pot. But first I did the meat. I cooked up the meat, and then I mixed in the sausage. You use tomato paste and tomato puree. 2 cans, large. Small tomato paste with a little can of small water, warm water. Okay, so our water is boiling. So I put the food into the crock pot. Now I put the light back on so you can see. And look at this. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, we put this down here. Here you want to smell. How does it smell? Does not smell like Vince's to me. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. It doesn't have Vince's smell to me. It smells like Mitch's spaghetti. But anyways, so there is. You can see the meat sauce. It looks very good. If you're wondering what Vince's is, it's a local place here in Ontario, California, and Rancho Cucamonga. They have a separate one, and I think I want to say Temecula. I'm not sure where the other one is. Of course, we use the Mickey Mouse crock pot. Anyways, it's a quick video. I don't need the flash on no more. Hang on a second. And okay. My cameraman, I don't know. He disappeared. I have to buy a new cameraman, I guess. So I have to do this all by myself now. I don't know. I guess he doesn't want to be on the internet. He doesn't want to have girlfriend. I don't know what's wrong with him. I wish he'd come back. Get him girlfriend. Boom! He have girlfriend for 2021. But okay, Chef Capalbo have wife. She's over there, down there, watching Dr. Paul. Okay, so I'm going to put the noodles in here. We're going to use a rigatoni, and we're going to use angel hair pasta. So, uno momento, I'm going to go and get the noodles. And I am back. Okay, so I lied. This was a penne pasta. Penny. And you see here we have the angel hair pasta. It's just enough. Did I spill all over the floor? Now my wife is going to have mad pasta. Anyways, I fixed that. I give her more later. Oh, that's hot. Yeah. Okay. I have pasta in my toes. It must be a song. I have pasta in my toes. Hey, you see kitty cat there? Meow. Meow for the camera, eh? Lily-bell. Meow. No, she's not going to meow. Anyways, that's all I can say right now. The pasta is going to take a good, I don't know, maybe 8 minutes for the, maybe not that long for the angel hair. But for me, for my penne pasta, it's going to take 12 minutes or so. So here, let me stick these in here so you can see. That's it. So we put that in there. So we're not doing the Italian Mitch Chef Capalbo's spaghetti today. We're doing the Vincenzo. Okay, so you can see there's the noodles. That's the noodles. They're nowhere near ready. They have to be big. They're little itty bitties. Probably by the time they get big, there won't be no water. Ooh, I'm burning my hand off. Okay, that's fucking hot. Excuse the language. We use the pasta barilla. Yes. Okay. So I will make second video when pasta is in the bowl. Back in bowl. Okay? Inside joke. So Until then, remember, subscribe to Mr. C's Art and Food. Hey, hey.